Hello viewers, welcome to Stock Market Tips channel. In today's video, we are going to see the performance of the calls given on Tuesday and the watch list you have to get ready for today. So SRF was the first stock we gave. You can see the stock was triggered on the buy side and it reached the target 1 completely and almost 90% of target 2. So if you have initiated this call, you would have made a good profit. The second one was Titan. Titan again bursted out on the buy side and it moved above the marked targets of 1 and 2. So if you have taken this, a good profit would have been made. And then Alchem was given. Unfortunately, the volume was very less. However, the stock had a huge volume on the sell side. Please don't confirm this as a sell side call. Just wait for the marked levels and then initiate your calls. And the fourth one was LTI Mindtree. LTI Mindtree did not show a big movement throughout the day. However, the last candle showed a big volume on the buy side. Wait for the levels just for a day. If it is not initiated today, then no need to take this call. Bharati Airtel made a gap up in the morning. So almost all our stocks make a gap up or gap down or sometimes in the gainers or losers list. That's why we miss these calls. Nothing to worry. Better to save money than to lose. So Bharati Airtel again had a gap up. So we will not trade this call. So let's look into the watch list for today. The first one was Bata India. Bata India is a good stock and you can see throughout the day it made a range bound, so we can expect a target of 1421 and 1435 if the levels 4110 is broken. On the sell side, if the levels 1398 is broken, you can wait for 1385 and 1375. The second stock was Escorts. Escorts made a good move yesterday. However, you can wait for the levels 1924 or 1895 to initiate the buy side and or the sell side, and wait for targets 1959 on the buy side and 1859 on the sell side. Third one is Hall. Hall is a good stock. It always reaches the target very quickly. So yesterday you can see it has made some movement. So if the levels 2670 is broken, you can reach 2697, later 2740. If the levels 2591 is broken, you can reach levels 2550 and 2511. The last stock for today will be Maruti. Maruti is a huge price stock, so the volatility will be high. As already specified, either the target or the stop loss you will reach quickly. So look into the volume, get confirmed about the trend and then take this call. So on the buy side you can expect levels 8322, 8365 if 8275 was broken. And downside you can expect levels 8159, 8107 if 8251 is crossed. If you're looking for a Tamil version of this particular video, I'm giving the link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please test our calls, and if you are satisfied, join us in making a good trading setup. Thank you.